Did you know most of our planet is covered in water? But how many oceans are there on Earth? The answer might surprise you. How many oceans are in the world? There are 5 oceans on Earth. Let's explore each one. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. It covers more area than all land on Earth combined. Next is the Atlantic Ocean, separating the Americas from Europe and Africa. It's one of the busiest shipping routes in the world. The Indian Ocean lies south of Asia. It plays a huge role in weather patterns like monsoons. The Southern Ocean surrounds Antarctica. It was officially recognized as a separate ocean in modern geography. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest. It's mostly covered in sea ice for much of the year. Together, these 5 oceans form one connected global ocean. They're divided based on geography, currents, and continents. But in reality, all oceans are connected. Oceans cover about 71% of Earth's surface. They support most of the planet's life systems. Oceans regulate global climate and temperature. They provide food, transport, and resources for billions of people. So how many oceans are there? 5 oceans on our planet. Remember, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. We know more about the moon than the deepest parts of the ocean. Knowing this helps in geography, science, and travel knowledge. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more quick geography lessons. Thanks for watching and keep exploring our amazing planet.